he doing?
I don't know. He's trying to get in.
Is he trying to wash himself? Oh my god.
He had one leg in there.
He's doing a manual wash, I think.
Oh! He's taking stuff out of the wash.
Are you done with that? What the heck? He's rubbing himself on. He's washing himself.
Okay. Thank you for helping the mama. That's very nice. Okay? It's very nice. Who is a funny puppy?
Well, he looks like he needs to get some other stuff.
Oh, you're gonna help mama put that in your laundry?
That's his towel, isn't it?
Thank you. Thank you. Very nice. Get something else for mama.
Hey, you volunteered for the work.
Look. Come on. What's this? And for the mamas.
Put it in. All right.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
He's gonna dry himself. Is that what? Hey, he's gonna fall. He's gonna fall. Oh, he's gonna get stuck in there. Hey, you made it.
Daddy shorts.
Hold on, my shorts.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Give this to the mama.
You got something. What do you got? Oh,
Oh,
sock.
this is Saki. Thank you. Thank you. Are you all done, you crazy puppy?
Well, I'm gonna do your slippers now. He's on a tear.
Hit. Up.
Crazy pooch. You a crazy pooch.
Who's naughty? Who's so naughty? You gonna go back in the washer?
He's itchy. Oh, that's a new one. I've never seen him scratch himself. How is he supposed to fit in there? Yeah, that's my shirt.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Give it to the mama. It's very nice.
Not dry yet. My shorts. Got my shorts.
Uh-oh. Okay. Dish, very nice. We have to dry it. Okay? You have to dry it. Okay?
What? What? Oh, he's gonna get stuck in there. See that? He's gonna dry himself. Come on now, you little monkey.
Dobbies.
Oh, he's gonna back out. No, he's gonna get his tail stuck. Oh.
Oh, he's got a vent. A fire sheet. Oh, that's not good for puppies. Give it to mama. There we go. Thank you.
Crazy.
Thank you. Come on, Trouble.
Getting all itchy.
I'm climbing in the dryer.
Hey. Hey, hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Back.
I'm actually gonna wash it all again.
Maybe wash him too. Shorts.
What makes your shorts? That laundry's been sitting in there for a week.
Really?
Well, I washed it and then I forgot to put it in the dryer. So it has kind of a musky kind of smell to it. So I think that's kind of enticing for him.
Okay, nothing left. There's nothing in there?
I took everything out.
What's he doing in there? What the heck? Hey, crazy! What are you doing in there? Oh my god. Uh-oh.
Oh.
It's not your bed, Nair. You coming out? Alright. Oh, good. You made it alive. Good boy. You made it.
Is that not the funniest thing you've ever seen?
He wants to go out or something now.
Okay, wasn't that funny?
Yes.
Probably gonna tell me I shouldn't have let me do it.
Well, I know you keep that the washing machine stuff closed in all the time anyways.
He's such a crazy.
Crazy. And he's done.
You're crazy, coochie lady.
And he gets pits. Say goodnight to Dobbies. Dobby. Say goodnight.